How to submit your AMCAS application early and why timing changes everything. Medical schools use rolling admissions. They review applications as they arrive, so applying early means competing for more open seats. By June, only 10% of interview invites have gone out. By October, that jumps to 50%. Here's your week by week plan. In early May, finalize your personal statement and activities. Mid May, request transcripts and confirm your school list. When AMCAS opens in late May, enter all your data, then submit in the first week of June. Verification takes 2 to 4 weeks, but by August, it stretches to 6 to 8. Avoid these common mistakes: coursework entry errors, missing transcripts, incomplete activity descriptions, and waiting for your MCAT score. You can actually submit without it. Pro tip: pre-write your secondary essays while waiting for verification. MedSchool Copilot maps every milestone from pre-writing to submission day. Visit medschoolcopilot.com to get started.